Today, I'm going to tell you about Topsteps and Tradeovate, two popular platforms in the trading world. Topsteps is a proprietary trading firm that helps traders get access to funded accounts by passing an evaluation process. It is designed for traders who want to trade without risking their own capital while following strict risk management rules. On the other hand, Tradeovate is a futures trading brokerage that allows direct live market trading with commission-free options. It provides a seamless trading experience with an intuitive interface and advanced tools, making it ideal for active traders. I've created a comparison table to break down the key differences between Topsteps and Tradeovate. Let's get into it. Topsteps operates as a proprietary trading firm, meaning traders must prove their skills through an evaluation-based funding model before getting access to a funded account. This makes it a great option for traders who want to trade with someone else's capital rather than risking their own money. The funding process requires traders to follow strict profit targets and risk management rules to qualify. On the other hand, Tradeovate is a futures trading brokerage that allows traders to jump straight into live market trading without any evaluation. Unlike Topsteps, which has strict daily loss limits, Tradeovate gives traders full control over their own risk management strategies. When it comes to fees, Topsteps does not charge commissions, but traders must pay evaluation fees to enter the funding process. In contrast, Tradeovate provides commission-free trading on select plans, but may include platform fees depending on the subscription. Both platforms focus on futures trading, but their platform compatibility is different. Topsteps integrates with third-party trading platforms, while Tradeovate offers a fully integrated web, desktop, and mobile trading experience. If you prefer mobile trading, Tradeovate is the better choice as it offers full mobile functionality, whereas Topsteps has limited mobile support. When it comes to trading tools, Topsteps provides performance tracking and risk management features to help traders maintain discipline. Meanwhile, Tradeovate offers advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and cloud-based trading, making it ideal for those who want an intuitive, feature-rich trading experience. If you're looking for a platform where you can get funded and trade with someone else's money, then Topsteps is a great option. However, if you want commission-free direct trading in the futures market without an evaluation process, then Tradeovate is the better choice. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer.